Hello, pipe community. Relax Piper here. Yeah, here with another video, and I just wanted to share with you guys quickly for those of you who are big Zippo fans. And if you're like me, you're very fond of the Zippo vintage line. And I picked up this slider some time ago, and I finally get around to maybe doing a little review of it, but there is a downside to it, and I did want to share that with pipe smokers. But for those of you who are looking just for a really unique vintage looking Zippo, then I guess I can recommend this one to you. So comes in a little nice box, and this one here is the (1935) Replica, and I really do like the vintage series, the 1941, as well as this one here. So, however, there's one downside to it, and that apparently is Zippo doesn't like pipe smokers. Yeah. Unfortunately, a pipe insert is not going to work in it. Yeah. I just want to go ahead and show you guys real quick that if you're looking to get this lighter, and what makes this one a little bit more unique is that the hinges on the outside for the Zippo of this model. Just love the squared, sharp edges of the vintage. And I really do love this lighter, but unfortunately the insert seems to be just a little bit different, and I cannot get this one to fit in here without it being stuck. Yeah. There's a gap in there, and I don't know why, but a pipe insert won't work for this lighter. Yeah. I don't know if it's, I think it's because, well, honestly, I don't know what the reason is. It seems to be about the same size. Seems almost identical. But I don't know if it has something to do with this insert or what, but at least with my experience, I cannot get the pipe insert to work. Yeah. So, seems to be one downside to this lighter. If you know something different, please let me know. But, no 1935 vintage for pipe smokers. Anyway, just thought I'd quickly share that with you guys. And this lighter, it is one of my favorite designs by Zippo. And maybe you'll have better luck with yours. Let me know if you can stuff that pipe insert into yours. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps. And perhaps I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.